I hope my designs will come alive. If it was a seed, it would blossom in your hand.
Yeah. Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's faking now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes, but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Didn't know, about to blow back up. Here I never let the doubt creep in. Gotta cup a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. You couldn't even hear me if I yelled.
But after a while, people who like my designs increased. I realized that it wasn't just because my designs look great. More important, they resonated with my designs as it empowered them with some sort of positive energy and vitality. That's why human design shouldn't be just about aesthetics. It's a form of self-expression. Whenever I think about this, it gives me the drive, knowing that our only mission is safeguard their imaginary worlds. Give them courage for self-expression. But I decided that he was calling designing at a different purpose as compared to when I first did it out of interest. Users often get feedback on the designs on the platform.
I don't wanna break down, always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fake now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, when I could find my way even when I'm feeling down. I fight, even when I don't know what is right. I'ma pick a side, and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shame me, I'll be damned. Let it on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside. I'm alone, I'm alright.
So I need to challenge disagreements or simply when I run out of I will stay true. Because I understand that this is the right message. And I know the best partners are always on my side. I hope that my designs bring light to the hearts of many and encourage them to express themselves. We live in a digital era where almost nothing is possible. What we need to do is allow our imagination to run free and then strive to achieve these breakthroughs. Everything is possible, and your world is what you make of it. As long as you stay open to different forms of creative expressions, beauty, and experiences, you will find the world more interesting and a vibrant place. I am Zhong Xie, Huawei Themes developer, and I live for love.